everybody, it's Strawberry Me, and in today's video I'm going to be setting up my new K-pop journal. Okay, so this is actually my fourth K-pop journal, which is really crazy to think about that I've been doing it for long enough to have completed four journals. But anyway, I actually decorated the cover using my Cricut, and it is the lyrics from Blue and Gray in Taeyang's handwriting. And speaking of that, you can actually get this design on a t-shirt on my Etsy shop. I also have a new shirt out for Butter, a pinned gun shirt out, and then of course my other wrap line shirts as well as Army Bomb decals. And right now until the end of May, you can get 20% off of my shop by using the code BUTTER20. So if you're interested and you want to support my channel, head over to my Etsy shop and check that out. So I usually, when I set up my journal, I just like to do sort of like a welcome page. I decorated the cover, and then I wasn't really sure what pictures I wanted to use, and I think I saw an account on Twitter just like post these edited pictures, and it looked very like fall and very like Stars Hollow, Gilmore Girls vibes, which I love. And so I don't know, I liked them. It's not really seasonal because it's May. But I just thought that they were cute, and it gave me some like homey vibes. And I thought that would be like a good way to start off this new journal. So I just went with that aesthetic, sort of like oranges and reds and stuff like that. And I just used my typical method of ripped paper, and just some other little stickers and embellishments as well as washi tape, just to give it that sort of like collage look that I really enjoy. I feel like a welcome page is a really good chance to be like super creative, because you can really do whatever you want. Like you can use any pictures you want, any color scheme you want. So yeah, I think it's kind of fun. And I always like to add the date of when I started it, or at least like the month and year, just so that when I look back on it one day, I remember like when each journal was started, even though I've been pretty good about labeling the dates on my spreads lately. But then I just write like a little intro, like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm on my fourth K-pop journal. Like, journaling has been so cathartic for me, and I just love it so much. So yeah, this is how I set up my K-pop journal. This is essentially all I do to get started. I just decorate the cover and I do a welcome page. And if anybody was wondering, the journals that I typically use for my K-pop journals are Artist Loft from Michaels. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and probably the next video you will see from me will be Butter. So that's exciting. Can't wait for that. Check out my Etsy shop if you're interested, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!